Is your car running rough? Fix it yourself with a 5-minute camshaft position sensor swap. Warning signs of a bad camshaft sensor and how to replace it yourself step-by-step guide. Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics, welcome back to our WeeklyTools channel. Today, we're tackling a common engine problem that can cause a lot of headaches: a faulty camshaft position sensor. A camshaft position sensor is a vital part of your engine's management system. It tells the engine computer exactly where the camshaft is positioned, which is crucial for controlling things like fuel injection and ignition timing. If your camshaft position sensor is on the fritz, you might experience symptoms like rough idling, stalling, or even complete engine failure. But don't worry, replacing a camshaft position sensor is a job you can often tackle yourself at home with a little guidance. Before we dive in, let's gather the tools and materials you'll need. Replacement camshaft position sensor. Make sure it matches your specific vehicle. Wrench or ratchet with appropriate socket size. Safety glasses, gloves. Repair manual optional, but recommended. Always remember to prioritize safety when working on your car. Park on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shocks. The camshaft position sensor's location can vary depending on your car's make and model. It's usually mounted on the cylinder head or engine block near the camshaft. Consult your repair manual or a quick internet search for your specific vehicle to pinpoint the exact location. Once you've located the sensor, follow these steps. Disconnect the electrical connector. Find the sensor's electrical connector and press the release tab if present to carefully separate it from the sensor. Unscrew the mounting bolt. Use your wrench or ratchet with the appropriate socket to remove the bolt as holding the sensor in place. Unscrew the mounting bolt as. Use your wrench or ratchet with the appropriate socket to remove the bolt as holding the sensor in place. Default text. Extract the sensor. Gently pull the old sensor straight out of its mounting location. Be mindful of any O-rings or seals that might come out with it. Installing the new sensor. Prepare the new sensor. If the new sensor comes with a pre-installed O-ring or seal, double-check that it's properly seated. Apply a dab of clean engine oil to the O-ring for a smoother installation. Check your repair manual for specific instructions. Insert the new sensor. Carefully push the new sensor straight into its mounting location, ensuring proper alignment. Secure the sensor. Screw in the mounting bolts and tighten them to the recommended torque specification. Refer to your repair manual. Don't over-tighten. Reconnect the electrical connector. Snap the electrical connector securely back onto the sensor. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Double-check all your connections and tidy up your workspace. Start your car and listen for any unusual noises. If everything sounds good, take it for a short test drive to see if the problem is resolved. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced your camshaft position sensor. If you have any question camshaft position sensor, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips.